Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to talk about how to add subtitles to a video in Descript. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and let's dive right in. So let's start with opening your Descript account and upload the video that you have, or even just the recording or the audio. All you have to do is to highlight the part of the transcript that you can see here at the left side panel of the screen, and all you have to do is to click on this option right here, and then you can just look for the option for you to add captions. When you click on it, you will automatically see that with all the transcript that you have, it will automatically be added as a subtitle into your Descript video. So here on the right side panel of the screen, you see that you will be able to modify the alignment, whether it's center aligned or right aligned, or you can even change the font size, and the opacity as well. And all you have to do is to make sure that you edit that, and then from there you will now be able to add subtitles into your video, whether it's a video you recorded from your camera or even just the audio recording that you have. And when you click on play, you'll see that it will be in line with the words you say on the audio, and it automatically syncs into your video preview right here at this preview pane. And that's basically it. That's how you'll be able to add a subtitle here on Descript. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye!